Alright, we're going to install this, the rear tower support from Ultra Racing in a BMW 2009 328i Xi. And yeah, let's do it. So you're going to need a couple things. You're going to need a wrench with a T40 adapter, and you're going to need a pry tool, and a handful of profanity words would be good as well. What's super awesome is you don't have to take everything out of the car, all the carpeting or any of that other stuff. All you got to do is take this piece off right here on both sides. I've already done it on this one, and then put in the supplied screws that came with the Ultra brace. And if you can put down the seats, if that's an option, that makes it just a little bit easier. All right, let's go ahead. All right, so I've already loosened this one. So just take it out, and for this to come out, you've got to twist it, and it comes right out. Pretty easy. And then this one is super awesome that these fit right there perfect. Alright, so I had to finagle it in there between the carpet and all that stuff, but I found that the best way to do that is to put it in kind of sideways and then spin it into place, and then put your bolts on. You'll also need a 13 millimeter for the supplied bolt and washer and stuff. So I've got that going on right here. So just crank it down, and then torque it to the specified specifications. Check your BMW manual for that, or just tighten it down until it's tight. And then we'll do the other side. As you're putting the other one in there, if you have 3 hands, that's a lot better. So you may want to go to your local hospital and have them surgically install a third arm and a third hand. Also, when you're finalizing and tightening it down and stuff, it's better if you have a rag so you don't scratch or damage the newly installed brace bar. I don't want to call it a strut tower bar because it doesn't actually connect to the struts, but I think it's going to at least produce another 25 to maybe 50 horsepower, just that brace there. And the lateral G's on it will probably be close to like 9 G's now, so it'll be pretty sweet. So I've got the towel on there so I don't scratch that bar, because if you scratch it, that's like probably going to lose like 3 or 4 horsepower just by scratching it there. So I think it looks pretty sweet so far. So there it is installed, and make sure you get all your spare parts and any of the extra parts you have, just throw them out and stuff. So there we go. That's like a plus 9 G's right there. Awesome. So there she is with the seats back up. So hope to see you on the racetrack, and the Alchemist is signing off. If you want to follow us on our favorite automotive social website, Pedal the App. And there's a link for it in the description. And you can follow us by looking at our hashtag, Alchemy Racers. So cool. Hope to see you on the racetrack.